You coming, Daddy? You coming, girl? Come on, Atticus and Atticus Jr. They are like identical. If Atticus Jr. was just gray, like his daddy, they would be identical twins. There's Jersey Jr. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? There we go. There you go. Come on, Atticus Jr. I'm out of your way. I'm out of your way, I promise. Atticus almost hit me in the face, though. I thought I was out of the way, but I wasn't. There's one of the duckies. he's gonna take forever. Come on, boy. Little eggs in here. We got 4. One in here. That's Elsa's egg. There's Destiny. He's ready to eat some food. Oh, here comes one of those duckies. They're frozen as solid. What are you doing, baby? And there's Elsa. She's the one that laid the blue egg. She's going to be 7. And she's been laying eggs almost every day. Usually they stop at about 4, but she's been laying eggs non-stop for going on 6 years, because she started laying when she was about 6 or 8 months old. She's going 7. You guys ready to eat? There's one. So we restocked all their food. So we got 100 pounds of livestock feed, which has molasses in it for energy while it's cold. Then we have layer crumbles and hen scratch, which has a lot of corn and energy pellets to help them with the winter. Oats and grains. Lots of protein. And some cracked corn and whole corn in that one. So they get all they can eat. And of course, you can see, this is their favorite. They love the scratch. The scratch is their favorite. They love that one the most. How you doing, Castle? Where's Beckett? Oh, there she is. There's Beckett. There's Castle, and there's Beckett. And there's Mama Zaylee right there. And there's one of her babies. There's one of her roosters. And then that's one of her hens. So only 2 of your babies show up? Or no, that's one of them. That's another rooster. And there's Levy. Just hopping over each one, seeing what the varieties of food they get. Here's one of my Brahmas. There's Sylvie, a beautiful silver splash Brahma. There's Ocean. There are duckies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Bye.